And do you think then that Eva made a difference to your communication?
Yeah.
In what ways?
Yeah, because I go to the shops in my car, in my Carly.
Oh yeah.
And she goes into the shop, and I go, I want something for Joe. She said, you want to come with me? And I said, no, I go with you. And I go, and I get it, and I get it, and I say, hello, and here. Oh, how much do you need? Yeah, and I said, put the pennies in there and the receipt in there.
Brilliant. Yes. So that's something you hadn't done before.
Yes.
Fantastic, Grace. It's really nice to hear. Yay!
Yeah.
So after practicing in Eva, you went and bought something in the shop.
Yeah.
Very good. Those are the stories we love to hear.